It was cooking day, and Momo was feeling like a real chef. The rice was washed. The pot was ready. What could go wrong? Then, oops, one little wobble, and the rice took flight like snow in springtime. For a moment, it rained rice everywhere, even on his ears. But instead of cleaning right away, Momo had an idea. Maybe this could be something fun. Bit by bit, he shaped the mess into something sweet, a little masterpiece made from his mistake. And as the light faded, Momo smiled. Maybe the best messes are the ones you make with heart.